in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Hunt County in north-central Texas, southwestern Hopkins County in north-central Texas, northwestern Rains County in north-central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over point, or 17 miles southeast of Greenville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Trained spotters have reported a tornado in northern Rains County. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Sulphur Springs, Emory, East Tawakoni, Point, Cumbie, Cooper Lake State Park, Lake Sulphur Springs, Cooper Lake, Lone Oak, Martin Springs, New Birthright, Ridgeway, Hermit's Cove, and Peerless. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 109 and 135. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Alert system. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman County, southeastern Collin County, and southern Hunt County until 6 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near the community of Heath, around Forney, on US 80, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Royce City around 5:45 minutes from now, Quinlan Caddo Mills by 5:55, and Greenville Club Lake by 6 o'clock. Other locations in the path of this storm include Floyd, Josephine, Cache, Clinton, Dixon, the McClendon, Chisholm area, Nevada, Union Valley, and Lone Oak. Also, portions of Interstate 30 between mile markers 67 and 96. A tornado warning issued for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman County, southeastern Collin County, and southern Hunt County until 6 o'clock. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Heath and Forney, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.